Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the natural gas price has moved in the last 2 days and how the natural gas price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen since Jan of 23 is up. What we have seen that the price of natural gas is moving in a particular zone, okay, and the zone is at a high of around $3.053 and a low of around $2.024. This is the zone high and low. Keep that in mind that if the price for any stock or any commodities move in a range for a period of time, and once it break upside or downside, then we can see there will be an upside or downfall respectively, okay. And now if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen that it is trading at a level of around $2.682, and from 3 days continuously there is an upside, you can see, and overall trend you can say is an upside, but it is forming a narrow pattern. If we go from this particular zone, how it is forming a narrow pattern, look at this particular pattern. See, this is high zone, low zone, and it is trying to go in a narrow zone. See, look at so what it says that if it moves below this particular level, that means if it crosses this particular zone, we can see it will fall further down, or if it crosses above a level of $2.747, then a further upside we can see in the price of natural gas, okay. So now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, a level at 4.1 is still a gap is pending, so probability is high it will touch only after once it started crossing above a level of $3, okay. And what we have seen that there is so much of volatility in the natural gas prices, continuous upside, and chances are very high that it can go further high, okay, and then a probability of touching a level of $2.694 is there, okay. Or if the price move above that particular level, it will cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of $2.8, and chances of crossing a level of around 2.734 is there, because this level is already being a weak resistance. Then a probability of crossing that particular zone we can see, and a probability of going towards 2.824 is there, okay. Why I'm telling you all this resistance, because that is where the profit booking comes or a bounce back comes, but chances are very high that as soon as started moving above a level of 2.7, chances of touching a level of 2.872 is there, and a probability of going towards a level of 2.93 is there, okay. So once started moving upside, then we can see it will go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 3.053 is there, okay. And this is the half of this zone. So once started moving upside, then we can see it will go further upside, and chances are very high that it will go further high, and a probability of touching a level of $3.320 is there, because this is the half of this zone, okay. So as soon as it move above a level of $3, we can see it will touch a level of $3.3 to a level of around $3.432, and if the price move above that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $3.532, okay. Keep that in mind, because what you can see looking at this particular chart, this is the level, that this is the level. As soon as it started moving above $3, then only we can see there will be an upside movement, otherwise there is no probability that it will go further upside. As soon as it move above a level of $3, then only we can see a probability of touching 3.3 will be there, and then to a level of 3.5, and then further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it will move back towards a level of $2.64, okay. And if that level move further down, then a probability of touching 2.57 is there, okay. So there is a pattern forming. So once started falling below 2.57, then a probability of touching 2.407 is there, and as soon as it breaks this particular zone, then chances of falling further down we can see, and a probability of towards a level of 2.17, okay. Then you can see there will a pattern will break downside, and chances of touching a level of 2.247 is there. So after 2.4 we can see a level of 2.247, and then further down towards a level of $2.151 is there, okay. So once started falling below this level, we can see it will touch a level of $2.086, which is a low of this particular zone, okay, and then we can see it will fall further low, okay, because this is the zone where once it started falling below this particular level, then chances of going further down we can see, and then a probability of going towards a level of 1.946 is there, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1.746. So keep it in mind, as soon as it move below a level of $2, a further down we can see for the price of natural gas, okay. And understand something, that always try to set your SL so that your capital can be saved. Always try to set trailing SL so that your profit can be saved. SL will save your capital, profit will be and trailing SL will save your profit. How? Then it will build your capital, okay, and confidence, and if the capital is safe, then you can trade more. That is the main benefit of setting SL, okay. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.